Wilderness has been here, as we all know, for over 50 years.
We're a full-service small animal hospital, seeing dogs, cats, and pocket pets. We offer surgery, dentistry, we have a full pharmacy. We also have ultrasound, radiology, dental radiology, and cold laser services. To top that off, we are also fear-free and cat-friendly certified. We take the comfort of your pet into consideration, and it makes it a better experience for everybody.
We have a fantastic team here who really are dedicated to making your pets feel safe and comforted during the whole process. Our doctors here are fantastic. Our hours are pretty flexible, so we can get you in most days here.
When I come into the clinic, I am always greeted with friendly faces that I've known for years. And everybody's really good with the animals. The doctors here explain things very well. This is just a really nice clinic to come to.
Each of the vets are so compassionate and knowledgeable, from their diagnostics to their surgeries. The staff is so welcoming. There's a warmth and a safety feeling when you bring your pet here. And I can't imagine going to any other vet.